Hi friends, welcome back to my video. Today I will explain you exercise 4.1 of chapter 4, that is simple equation. So now we'll solve question number 3, and question number 3 is solve the following equations by trial and error method. So our first equation is 5p plus 2 is equal to 17. Okay, 5p plus 2 which is equals to 17. Okay, so here we have to find p. So p is equal to, so first we'll took the variable which is in plus sign or in the negative sign. Okay, so this positive 2 will go to right hand side, that means in front of 17, and the sign will change to minus sign. Okay, 17 minus 2. Okay, so 17 minus 2 is 15. As we all know, 17 minus 2 is 15. And now at the last, we will took the variable which is in division or in the multiplication form. Okay. So 5 and p are in the multiplication form. 5 multiplied by p is equal to 5p. Okay. So now we have to find the value of p. So how will find the value of p? So here is 5 multiplied by p. So when 5 will go to, when 5 will move to right hand side, the sign will change to division. Okay, 5 multiplied by p, here will be 15 upon 5. Okay, upon 5. This will go to division form because here is multiplication. Multiplication will go to division or division will go to multiplication. And in case of negative or positive, the positive variable will change into negative form, and the negative numerical will change to positive one. Okay, so 15 upon 5 is equal to 3. So the value of p is equal to 3. So at the last we can say that hence 3 is the, sorry, 3 is the solution for this equation. Okay, for this equation. Okay, this is equation. Okay, done. So let's move to second bit. So friends, second bit is 3m minus 14 is equal to 4. So here also we will apply the same method, trial and error method. So 3m minus 14 which is equal to 14. No, 4. 3m minus 14 is equals to 4. So now here what we have to do is to just change the sign of 14, and yeah, so here is m, the base is m. So m is equals to 4 plus, because minus 14 will change to plus 14. Okay, so 4 plus 14 is equals to 18. Okay, so m is equals to 18. Okay, here is 18. And now here 3m, that means 3 multiplied by m. So as we have done in the previous question, we have just divide 5 from 15. Okay, so yeah, we have divided 15 from 5. Okay, so here our answer is 18, but now we have to divide it from 3. Okay, because 3 is in multiplication form. Just see here, 3 point m means 3 multiplied by m. So here will be 18 upon 3. Okay, so 18 upon 3 means 18 divided by 3. 18 divided by 3 means 6. Okay, 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18. 6 multiplied by 3, that is 18. So we can write it as m is equals to 6. Okay. So now we'll write hence 6 is the solution for this equation. Okay. Yeah, here it will be UA. Okay. So hence 6 is the solution for this equation. That means instead of m, we have to write 6. So let us check that 3 multiplied by 6, that is 18, right? 18 minus 14 is 4. Yeah, this equation is correct. Okay. And 6 will be put on m. Okay. 6 will be the result of this equation. So friends, let's move to fourth beat. No, here is no fourth beat. No third beat, no fourth beat. Okay, friends, so we have completed question number 3. Okay, so let's move to question number 4. So, friends, question number 4 is write equations for the following statements. Okay, so here are those statements, and now we have to write the equation for these statements. Okay, so as the first statement is the sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. Okay, so that means here is the number which is called x and 4. So now we have to find the sum of x and 4. We have to write in words, not we have to, that means we have to not simplify it. Okay, we have to only write in words. Here is in statement form, we have to write in words. So the sum of number x and 4, that means x plus 4. X plus 4 is 9. That means x plus 4 is equal to 9. So yeah, here are question. That means here are answer. X plus 4, which is equals to 9. Okay. 9, this is the result here. And here the question is x plus 4. Okay. So now the second bit is 2 subtracted from y. That means y minus 2 is 8. Okay. So y minus 2 is equals to 8. Yeah. Here are equation. So y minus 2 is equal to 8. Okay. So our third bit is 10 times a. 10 times a. 10 times a. Okay, or we can write it as a into a into a into a 10 times. Okay, so it will be 10a. Okay, 10 times a is 70, so 10a is equals to 70. Okay, 70 is the result here. So fourth bit is the numbers b divided by 5 gives 6. Okay, so the number b, that means b is a number which is divided by 5. That means b upon 5. Okay, our half statement done. What? So the number b divided by 5 gives 6. That means b upon 5 gives 6. B upon 5 is equals to 6. Okay, done. So let's move to fifth beat, and fifth beat is 3/4 of t is 15. Sorry, 3/4 of t. That means 3 upon 4 t. 3 upon 4 t. Yeah, 3/4 of t is 15. That means 3 upon 4 t is equals to 15. Okay, these are so easy. That means in class 7 the algebraic expression are so easy for us. Okay, 7 times m, 7 times m, that means 7m. Okay, plus 7. 7 times m, 7m plus 7. 7m plus 7 gets you 77. Gets you 77. That means is equals to 77. Okay. So friends, let's move to seventh beat. And seventh beat is 1/4 of A, 1/4. Let me write one by one. Okay. 1/4 of A. 1/4. 1 upon 4 of A means 1 upon 4A. 1/4 of A number X, of a number X. So here not A, here will be the base X. Okay. So 1 upon 4X then is 1/4 of a number X minus 4. 1/4 of a number X, 1/4, 1 upon 4X minus 4. Minus 4 gives 4. Okay. The result is 4 here. So, eighth question is, if you take away 6 from 6, 6 from 6 times y, 6 times y, that means 6y. Okay, 6y minus 6. If you take away 6, we have taken away 6 from 6 times y, you get 60. 6 minus y, I mean 6y minus 6 is equals to 60. Okay, so this is our equation. So let's move to ninth beat, and ninth beat is, if you add 3, if you add 3 to 1/3 of z. Here is z, that means here is the base. So we have to write the base part in the starting of the equation. Okay, here the base is z. In the eighth bit, the base is y. In the seventh bit, the base is x. Okay, that means the alphabets are base. Okay, so in the equation, the base should be in the starting. Okay, so if you add 3 to 1/3 of z, here is z, so the base part, that means this 1/3 of z, should be in the starting. Okay, 1/3 of z, 1 upon 3 of z, 1 upon 3z. If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, 1 upon 3z plus 3, you get 30. You get 30. That means is equals to 30. Okay, 1 upon 3z plus 3, which is equals to 30. Okay, or if here is 1 and here is 1 base, so you can write this base instead of 1, because 1 don't have any value. So our equation will be z upon 3 plus 3. Uh, if here is written 1/3 of z, 1, here is 1. If here would be written that 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3 or 2 upon 5 of z. So we can write it as 2 upon 5 z. Okay, 2 upon 2 upon 5 z plus 3 is equals to 30 or 40 or 50, doesn't matter. Okay, so if here is 2 or if here is 7 or if here is 5 or 9 or except 1, here should be any number. Okay, and if here is 1, so don't write z uh, beside 5. Okay, you have to write z instead of 1. Okay, z upon 5 plus 3. Yeah, this is the equation. So the equation for ninth bit will be z upon 3 plus 3, which is equals to 30. Okay, so by this we have completed question number 4 and 3. Okay, So that's all for today, everyone. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe and bye bye.